So guys, one of my most popular videos on this channel is me showing you 3 different side hustles that you can use when it comes to tapping into the power of ChatGPT. And of course that video is done well, it's got millions of views, but I thought, you know what, I'm going to make an updated video showing you 3 of the newest ways or newest strategies when it comes to the particular side hustles that I spoke about in that previous video. I want to give you guys a new perspective on how you can start a side hustle with ChatGPT as a complete beginner. And I do need to say before I get into anything that this video should not be taken as financial advice. My main job here is to give you guys the education and the information that I wish I had when I first got started. I'm currently using ChatGPT with my different internet-based businesses almost every single day, so treat this video as a form of education once again. And I'm sure if you're able to stick through this video from start to finish, you're going to be able to put yourself on the right path when it comes to using ChatGPT in the best way possible. But let's not waste any time. Let's jump straight into one of the previous side hustles that I spoke about in the other video, which is using ChatGPT to help you start up an e-commerce business, specifically when it comes to finding a winning e-commerce product. Now, I'm someone that's running a couple different e-com stores right now, and one of the type of stores that I'm running is a dropshipping store. By now, most of you that are watching this video should already know what that is, but it basically means I don't need to ship out the products myself. As long as I'm able to find a product that people are searching for, it's doing well, and there's proven data behind it, then my chances of being able to make sales on a daily basis is going to be a lot higher. And if you're someone that's looking to get into dropshipping, then you're also going to be able to use ChatGPT to assist you with this as well. So all you got to do is log into your ChatGPT account. If you don't have one already, I would advise that you make one. It's completely free for you to do. You're just going to log onto it, go over to the homepage just like this, and the prompt that you're going to type in is going to be something along these lines. All I'm doing is asking ChatGPT to give me a list of the 25 best winning e-com products that I can dropship that meet the following criteria. Because the store that I'm going to be using as an example in this video is going to be a pet store, that's why I want to find a product within the pet niche. It goes without saying that if you're selling products within a different niche, you're going to change that slightly, but the rest is going to be applicable to most people. Because the second criteria is that you want to make sure that the item is small and lightweight. Reason being is you don't want to sell a bulky item that's going to come with a lot of headache when it comes to expensive shipping fees. If the customer wants to return it, it's going to be a big headache as well. So my advice is to always look for a lightweight product that has a good price point, because this is where you're going to be able to find a sweet spot. The second or the third one is looking for an item that has a low refund rate. Again, you want to try and avoid chargebacks and refunds as best as possible. So this is definitely a big criteria to look out for. The fourth one is easy to source on sites like AliExpress. So the mistake that so many people make when they first get into dropshipping is that they try and find a product that no one else is selling. It's some hidden, mysterious product that only they're going to be able to sell. When I found that that's not the best way to do it. From my own experience, it's always good to sell a product that you can see someone else selling. If they're successful with it, it means that your chances of being successful are going to be much higher. And in addition to that, you want to make sure that it's an item that you can easily source, because you don't want to just rely on one manufacturer or one supplier. But again, that's just from my own experience anyway, so that's the reason why I put it here as a criteria. And lastly, I want to make sure that the product is evergreen. And all evergreen means is that it's an item that people are going to need today, tomorrow, next week, next month, and throughout the rest of the year after year after year. So that's what evergreen means, and this is one of the best type of items to sell. So that's the prompt that I'm going to type in, and all I'm going to do from here is just click on enter. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, it's now come back with the 25 different winning products from the pet niche. You know, I'm not saying that you need to sell every single item that it comes back with, but what you want to do is, you know, pick couple different ones at random so that you can do deeper research into it. Now, just to kind of give you an insight into what I do myself, let's go with the last one on the list, which is a pet paw cleaner. For me to know if it's a winning product worth my time in selling, all I do is just copy the keyword just like that. Then what I do is log into my AutoDS account. So I'm just going to type the keyword in there just like that and then click on search. And I've also made sure to select the supplier that I want to use, which is AliExpress. And as you can see, AutoDS has now come back with all of these different options. Now, there's this one over here where if I click into it, AutoDS is going to be able to give me more information about this product. If it's an item that's doing well, if there's a lot of engagement around it, e.g. as you can see over here, the engagement score is really high. It is a little busy as well when it comes to a lot of people trying to sell it. You know, it's not at full market yet, but you want it to be a little bit busy because it means that people are actively making sales from it. And of course, if I wanted to import this product directly onto my pet store for me to start selling it ASAP, all I need to do is just click on import draft. From here, I'm now going to be able to take a look at the title, you know, update it if I want. I'm going to be able to look at the variant and all of the different colors that are available. All of the different images, I can remove any images, you know, maybe move a specific image around. There's complete flexibility when it comes to making any adjustments to the information of the product that you're importing onto your store. But if I'm ready to sell it, one of the things that I like to do is make sure that I've turned on stock monitoring and price monitoring. All this means is that AutoDS is going to monitor the stock levels on the supplier's website as well as the price. And if they run out of stock or they increase the price, AutoDS is going to notify me and they're going to make the necessary adjustments. So from here, all I'm going to do is click on save and import. And right here, as we can see, the product has now been added to my store. Just to kind of give you guys a look at how it is. So this is my store right here. This is the product page. This is what the customers are going to see. I haven't added any quantities onto the listing yet because I'm only using this as an example, but that's basically what you can do when it comes to using ChatGPT to help you find a winning product that is available on a supplier website like AutoDS. And don't forget, if you wanted to sign up for a 30-day trial with AutoDS, I'm going to leave the necessary information in the description down below. But let's move on to one of the second ways that you can use ChatGPT to help you when it comes to starting a side hustle. One of the methods that I spoke about in the most popular video on this channel, which is using ChatGPT to help you start up a blog. And most of you right now are probably thinking, but Sam, isn't blogging ancient? You know, no one's doing it. There's no sort of money to be made. That couldn't be further from the truth. So many people are doing it and they're able to capitalize from it. And they're able to use ChatGPT when it comes to making things a lot more efficient. But before I get into the ChatGPT side of things, I just want to quickly explain how people with blogs are able to earn money. So picture this. Imagine having a website that you can run anywhere around the world. A website where all you're doing is posting information, articles about a particular topic. And with the help of ChatGPT, you're going to be able to figure out what type of topics people are interested in. And as long as you're able to get the right type of traffic onto your site to read those articles, as long as you've put the right links throughout your blog, you're now going to be able to hopefully get clicks and be able to earn something called commissions. So you don't need to sell your own product. You don't need to invent some sort of software. You don't need to be Einstein. All you're doing is using ChatGPT to help you come up with the right blog ideas. Now, you're probably thinking, but Sam, where exactly am I going to find these links where I don't even need to come up with the product myself? Well, one of the websites is going to be impact.com. Impact.com has over 4,000 different brands that you can sign up to get a unique URL link that's going to allow you to place that on your website for you to be able to earn some sort of an income. And I'm just going to log into my account and show you exactly what I would do if I was looking to start a brand new blog right now. So I'm just going to sign in. Okay, perfect. So I've just logged in and what I'm going to do is just click on all brands. Now, one of the type of categories that I like to focus on, generally speaking, is going to be B2B. B2B stands for business to business. If you're able to find products that other businesses can buy, this is going to put you in a powerful position because businesses have a lot of money to spend and they've also got a tax bill at the end of the year. So if you're able to find the right type of product that meets their needs, it's going to be a lot easier for you to get conversions. So I'm just going to scroll through this list. There's going to be companies that you've heard of or you've seen before, you know, Upwork. You probably heard of different ones, e.g. DocuSign, 10Web, TikTok for Business, you know, the list goes on and on. But the one that's standing out to me is this one over here called Sage. Now, Sage is a very popular accounting software. You know, if you didn't know, I used to work as an accountant in London City for around 3, 4, 5 years. And during those times, I was using Sage when it came to, you know, helping all of these different businesses manage their books. And straight away, I can see right here that the commission is pretty decent. You're going to be able to get up to £50 around $50 if you go with the Sage US one, per every single sign up that you're able to generate. And what's even more interesting is that if we just take a look at Google Trends, we can see that Sage right now as a topic has been trending ever since 2022, and it's only getting higher and higher each year. So the process to getting an affiliate link is pretty straightforward. You just got to click on apply, go through the process. From there, you're going to be given your affiliate link, and all you got to do from that point is start the process of building your site. Now, the way that you can do that is by using Hostinger. Hostinger is what I use for my different blog websites that I'm running, but the main reason why I recommend it is because you're going to be able to use AI when it comes to, being able to get your site built without you having to do too much work. You are still going to have to go through the final version of the website, make sure that you're happy with it. But if you are completely happy with it, you're going to be able to make it go live straight away. And I'm going to quickly show you what I would do if I wanted to build a blog website around accounting and finance. And we're going to see together what type of a job Hostinger is going to be able to do. So firstly, I need to click on claim deal. The one that I'm going to go with is the business website builder. The period that I normally go with is the 48-month package, because with this one, this is where I'm going to be able to get 2 months for completely free. So what I do is just select that and insert this coupon code. So I'm just going to do that right now and click on apply and get an even bigger discount, and then click on continue. And once I've created my account, all I got to do is enter the brand name for this blog website that I'm looking to build. So I'm just going to call it the accounting blog. This is probably already taken, but I'm just using it as an example. And for the description, I'm just going to say, this is a blog website catered for accountants and bookkeepers looking for news and updates or even education on the world of accounting and finance. Ensure there is a blog page and a software page. So I'm just going to enter this, maybe make a slight change over here. And then from there, once I'm happy with the description, I'm just going to click on create a website. And there we go. This is the site that Hostinger was able to build. As you can see, looks amazing, looks, quite decent. And it's a blog website that I'm going to be able to start using straight away. Now, it goes without saying that if you did want to make any changes to it, as I've told you guys previously, this is super easy to do. You can make any changes by adding an element. If you want to move anything around, if you wanted to update this, you can easily do that. Let me just quickly update this image to something else. I'm just going to click on replace image. I'm going to come over here to free images, and I'm just going to type in taxes, because this normally relates to accounting type of images. So we're just going to scroll through and find something that's applicable. Let's use this one over here. Okay, so that's basically how you can make a simple change for any image, any text, anything on the website. Now you're probably thinking, but Sam, what does all of this have to do with ChatGPT, and how exactly is it going to help with this blogging side hustle? Well, that's really easy. If I just go back over to it, I'm just going to show you exactly what prompt I will type in. It's going to be something along these lines. I have a blog about, and I'm just going to say accounting, and I'm primarily promoting an affiliate link for the name of the company, which is Sage. Give me 10 highly searched for blog article titles. So I'm just going to enter this in, and I'm just going to click on enter. And yes, you can use ChatGPT to write out the entire blog article, but what you could do instead is take one of these different articles. So I'm going to get this one over here, and I'm going to go back over to Hostinger. And the good thing about Hostinger, on the left hand side, you're going to see these AI tools, and they've got this AI blog generator. And what you can do is just now enter the description or the title of the article in here, just like this. Change the length of the article. I'm going to use 800 to 1000 words. Tone of voice is going to be quite casual, and I'm just going to click on create content. And just like that, probably within 10 seconds or so, it was able to write the entire article, all the information that the reader needs. And the main thing that you need to do from this point, if you are thinking about doing this yourself, is you're just going to need to go through it, insert the affiliate link, and Hostinger could have been able to do that if I inserted it when I told it what article to write in the first place. But I'm just giving you guys a general overview of this side hustle, but for the most part, I'm sure that you guys get the point as to how this works. And if you wanted to get a little bit more information about Hostinger, I'm going to leave them in the resources down below. But this now brings me on to one of the final side hustles that you can use when it comes to being able to tap into the power of ChatGPT as a complete beginner, which is to use it when it comes to making a digital product. Now, this video has already gone on a bit longer than what I expected. I don't want it to go on for 40, 50 minutes because I value your time. But if you wanted to watch another video that I made a couple days back where I show you everything you need to know when it comes to using ChatGPT to help you create a digital product, specifically an ebook that you can list for sale and you can monetize from it in a number of different ways, you're going to be able to check that video out by clicking the link right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this because I'm currently doing this myself. So many other people are doing it and so many people are able to earn an extra source of income by doing so. So I'm sure you guys are going to be able to get a lot of value out of that video. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and I'll catch you on the next video, guys. Just make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.